ow! Is that a GoTrax GX2? This is a cool thing. You know, this thing has a special ability that makes me teleport. We got the GoTrax GX2 here. This is my very first electric scooter, or anything electric in general. So let's power it on here. Okay. And we have a password here we need to enter, so. All right, we entered the password, and now we have park mode. Enter mode, or like, you know, our mode. Tell me that's not beautiful. But anyways, let's do a speed test. Full throttle on the first mode. And that's about it. All right, so we're going 15 miles an hour right now. Second mode, let's put it up to second. Oh, this is much faster. And this is going about 25. Let's pull it up to our third mode now. Oh, there's a stop sign coming up. All right, let's make a right-hand turn. Ooh. This thing is awesome. Right now we're in sport mode, which is the third and final mode. We're hitting 30 right now, 30 miles an hour. $31. Alright, we got about 31 there. Look, there's goats. Look at those goats right there. Awesome. Oh, wow. Look, he's sitting on the chair. There's like 200 of them. That's cool. There's a rooster. Holy crap. Let's try to hop it up this curb. This thing is heavy. There we go. This thing is absolutely awesome, and it's extremely fast. I mean, for how fast it was, this thing is amazing. And it's got these headlights, see? These little headlights, and you get one off the front here, this little bar. Little light here, and you get one down here. The headlights are pretty cool, so if you want to ride at night, you can. This is not an off-road scooter. This is actually made for sidewalks and street, but it can handle off-road really well. Let me show you off-road right here. Ugh, gotta be careful to not hit some dog poop. And it can climb that hill really easy. That's only on the second mode too. That is awesome power right there. Alright, we're gonna hop on the sidewalk here. wish this had was turn signals, because I can't take my hand off my scooter to, you know, signal. I can't. Unlike a bike, as soon as I let go of my hand like this, it gets wobbly and unstable, and I'm not even going 15. Nice little playground. Would check it out, but I mean, I can't really go on that wood chip material. Whoa, whoa, look at this. Wow. Yo, is this real? This is like real art right here. Yeah, they painted this. Holy crap. Look at that art, bro. That is amazing. Wow. Oh, what's up here? Smoothies. What the hell is that thing? Hold up. What the hell is that? What is that? It's like a car thing. Like a car motorcycle. Oh, look at this. Let's hop on some bike lanes, you know? Get some bike lane action. Oh, look, we got some lemonade, bro. We got lemonade. Lemonade. Yeah, I need some lemonade, yo. How much for a cup? $1. $1?
Yeah.
Yo. What are those?
These are lavenders.
We have little
boxes.
How much are these?
$3.
$3? Alright, let me see what I got. Here's 2 and 3.
Okay.
I'll take one of these.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is cool. You just set up shop here.
Yeah.
That is awesome. We got our mission accomplished. $3 for some lavender. Yeah, I'm extremely awkward when it comes to those situations, but I mean, you might as well support a little business woman. I did see something I want to check out, so I'm gonna hop on the sidewalk here. Was it right here? No. Where the hell am I? Oh, there it is, right here. Yo, we got a police officer right there. Oh, I kind of want to check this out. Oh, yo. Alright, I gotta watch out for dog shit again. What do you even call these? Like, little suburban dips or whatever? The last one I was in had dog shit in it, so this one better not have any. Yo, look at that bird. Look at those birds. Yo, that is a, what's it called? The cowbird, I think. Should we try the hill test? Let's try the hill test. Ooh. Oh, light work. Oh, light work. What? That was such light work. HOA retention park. No trespassing. Damn. Damn. Yeah, that sucks, bro. Who would do such a thing? Oh, what the f... It was a stick. I ran over a stick. There was people in that car. That was pretty scary. I didn't see them. Alright, I gotta be careful. Hi, officer. He wanted to stop me. I'm gonna cheat. Anyways, guys, I think that's it for today. If you did enjoy, make sure to subscribe and support me so I can get more videos pumping out, you know? Yeah, I think that's about it. All right, see ya. Bye.